5 scary ghost videos you must watch in 2026. Terrible title, not gonna lie. Don't love the title. Depths of Despair. And it will remain there the entire time so you know who made the video. Still sassy.
The camera. In the following video, a woman named Simone was out walking by the woods when she finds this.
It's creepy as out here, I'm not gonna lie. I really... hold on. Why is there a camera in the woods? Oh, is that covered in blood?
While out in the woods, Simone finds a camera
I just don't buy that.
that appears to have some blood on it. Curious, Simone takes a closer look at it and realizes the camera still has some battery left.
You're not gonna believe this.
You just picked it up and, oh no, I don't buy that. I don't buy that. I'm sorry. If I find a camera with blood on it, I'm not going to check if it has battery and look at the footage. No, I'm going to call police so I don't get implicated in a fucking murder.
I just found a camera out here with something that looks like it could be blood on it. I have no idea, but I think there's still some battery on it, so there could be some footage on here.
Letting curiosity get the
Bro, it looks clean as too. It doesn't look like it's just been sitting in the woods.
better of her, she takes the camera home and plugs it in, then discovers 3 video files left on the
Yeah, no, I can tell that's not the camera, bro.
She plays the first video on the camera, and this is what was captured. Watch closely. As the camera pans to the left, a dark figure can be seen behind a tree.
Okay, this is dumb. And now she's going to make 12 videos about how scary, yeah.
However, not long after retrieving the camera and watching these videos, she started to notice strange things happening around her house.
I mean, it's a good storyline, I'm not going to lie, but it's totally fake.
And now often feels like she's being followed.
It's been months. It's been months and I haven't been able to tell anyone. I haven't been able to post anything since I found those videos. Weird things have been happening to me and I don't know what's going on. I'm so scared. I didn't know what I was getting myself into.
She starts having nightmares of the shadow figure and wakes
Okay.
fast asleep when something loud and abrupt wakes her up, and she captures this.
It's the middle of the night and I just got woke up again. It's coming for me. It's in my house. The noises are coming from the kitchen. Listen. That's the noise that wakes me up every night.
Okay. Come on, man. That's a whole person banging on the door. Like, that would be terrifying.
It gets me. It wakes me up in my dreams. It wakes me up from my sleep.
Knocking can be heard coming from around her kitchen area while she was trying to sleep. Terrified, she waits for it to stop, but eventually Simone musters the courage to open her door and take a look when she captures something chilling.
You see that? There's a shadow in the corner of the kitchen. I know I'm not seeing things. I know I'm not. I know you guys saw that.
In the corner of the kitchen, a dark shadow figure can be seen standing still, trying to hide right in the corner of the room. A few nights later, she sees it again.
Okay, bro. I'm sorry. Either she's pretty good at holding the acting thing, because the first few videos I was like, this is bullshit. But this is getting a little bit, she's getting a little into it.
What is that? What is that in the corner? I think it's moving around my apartment at night.
The dark figure can be seen
How's she doing that, though?
hiding behind the wall late at night. A few nights later, it returns, Only this time, it goes on for a lot longer
She gotta be like hanging something there.
and is more aggressive.
Do you guys hear that noise? It's been like this all night. I can't make it stop. And when I get up and check the door, there's no one there.
We'll do it.
Go away. Go away.
I don't make it stop. I don't know how to make them go away.
Now too afraid to open the door, she remains in bed, thinking that it is quickly getting
Dude, I think she's just a decent actor. Like, not amazing, but I think she's just a good actor.
Do you guys hear that? No one is home. My sister left for the whole weekend.
Fake.
Who is that?
Bro, she just figured out how to edit the sound over it. And that was everything. That was the knocking. That was this.
But now I hear my mom. And she doesn't live here. She lives on the other side of the country, and I just called her. And she's in her own home. She's not here right now. So who is that?
Yeah, she's just putting sound over it.
And morphing into different things, scaring me in different ways. At first I thought it was all in my head, but it's changed into shadow.
Who is it? What do you want? The fuck?
No, no one's there. Oh my god.
The door begins to open, but
Bro, these are dumb. It's so low effort. Nothing cool happens. It's obviously just...
You see that shadow? It's following me.
a dark figure can be seen just standing there behind Simone's car, waiting for her to approach it. Luckily, she saw it and ran back inside her house.
I don't know, dude. I think that's just how some shadows are, like some spots, and then she tries to find that spot or put something there. Like, this is not fucking real.
Since then, she says it follows her everywhere and is still ongoing. Many viewers think that the person who left the camera behind had this figure following them, and now after retrieving the camera, it's followed her. Hopefully she decides to show the 2 other videos she found on the camera, but until then, this one remains a mystery.
Okay. That was in depth, though. Like, just her effort alone, I would say that was entertaining. You know? Like, even though it was fake. Like, that was a lot of effort. And I hope she got clout off that or something.
Disappointment room. A woman named Jay has been living in her house for the past 3 years and has found this small room in her attic, which she has only entered once since living there. After making a video showing the strange room and how hard it was to get up there, many viewers pointed out that it was a disappointment room, a hidden room often...
Ooh, we've seen this one in one of the Sir Spooks videos. Damn. Yeah, I'm gonna skip it. I've already seen that one. You can go see the other video. I think it was one of the last few that I did, last 4 or 5. But yeah, you can go see it.
The following video comes from a man who works as a security guard doing night shifts in a hospital in South Carolina, where the 4th and 5th floors have mostly been abandoned and not used for much of anything other than some occasional filing and storage. The 5th floor used to be the psychiatric ward where many people passed away. As to the reason why they are currently abandoned is unknown, and many doctors and nurses say they see the figure of a boy running around. One night while patrolling the 4th floor, an area that is off limits to others, he hears a strange sound and pulls his phone out to capture this.
So, I heard something coming from out of this room. I'm recording, just in case anything happens. But yeah, doing my patrol, heard something up here.
The fuck?
What? Nope.
Nah, he cut that shit. Bro, you'd immediately dip. You'd fucking lose it. Like, you wouldn't react. You wouldn't even have the time. He cuts there. I think before then even. Right here. Right there. I think he cuts. Yeah, come on, man. That's just stupid. Alright. Wow. Rough video. Rough video for our first one that we've watched on this channel. Very rough.
On the roof. In this next video, a girl named Adriana was on a live with her viewers just chatting and listening to music for a long while, and everything was fine at first, until something strange happens. Take a look.
Sape gato, chicos, ha sido una bruja, yo. De mañana por sana, más hueva. Eso ha sido una bruja.
A witch?
Una bruja. Mamá hueva. ¿Estás arrecha, maldita puta? ¿Estás arrecha? ¿Sí? ¿Estás arrecha? ¿Estás escuchando que todavía está en el techo? La sangre ahorita tiene poder.
A sudden loud crash
What?
on the roof is heard, and the noises continue on
You know, they act like they just deal with that shit. Oh, it's a witch. Oh, it's just a witch at the on the roof. Yeah, we've had it before. Let's get the wood plank. Like, bro, what? They got plans for this shit?
rooftop for a while. So she gets a stick and bangs back, and the sounds stop. But a little later on, they continue, and when she goes outside to check what it is, she is left terrified.
Salimos, mi gente. Gracias. Salimos.
But what is it doing up there? How is it making that noise?
Salimos. ¿Qué es eso? Sale.
What?
What looks like someone wearing all black with a pale grey face half covered by the hood can be seen just clinging to the rooftop. Adriana believes it was a witch, and the loud crash was her somehow falling onto the rooftop. And apparently this has happened once in the past. So just who or what is this?
Dude, no, that's something weird. I don't know where this is or what you got going on, but that is a weird situation. That is not... I don't know, man. Whoa.
And just what are they doing on the roof? Some sort of witchcraft? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. If you have any video...
Yeah, and then he's gonna plug sending him videos. Yeah, no, I have his thing here the entire video, so I hope people don't be saying the same bullshit that I was ranting about.
It's watching. I've featured Davo on the channel previously. One night, Davo was in the living room with some of his family members who was visiting when they heard a creepy sounding scream and captured something on the window. Now, a few weeks later, on December the 25th of 2025, he was alone playing Xbox after just unwrapping his GTA 5 present, when he hears knocking and begins to record this.
Estaba jugando al Grand Theft Auto y se escucha como si alguien
Bro, added sound.
no hay nadie ahí. Tal vez. y no hay nadie. Eso se va a ir a la basura. Pero otra vez no vuelve a haber nadie. Estamos remodelando, por eso está ese desmadre, pero desde ese rato están fastidiando. Ya no sé ni qué hacer.
He hears a bang coming from the front door. But right as he pans his camera towards it, a creepy face with dark eyes can be seen right against the outside of the window, just watching him. But moments later, when he returns, there is nothing there, nor was there anyone at the door. The very next night, while Davo is fast asleep, he suddenly wakes up around 2 a.m. after a strong feeling of being watched. And when he looks inside his room, he sees something utterly horrifying. Watch closely.
What the fuck was that, dude?
Son 1:56 de la mañana. Me desperté porque sentí una mirada de mis sueños. Y me han dicho que no me intente comunicar con ellos. No quiero preguntarle quién es. Yo me duermo con la tele encendida.
Oh shit.
Alexa, luz del cuarto blanco frío. Se escucha así por el ventilador. No hay nada.
Nah, dude, that's gotta be added in. They all do the knocking thing. Like, I don't think that's a thing. Like, that's never been a thing before, like a couple of years ago. They just started adding that because it's, like, easy to get away with and convince people. But that's not... Dude, no. Were these all... Well, that one was good from the effort. That's right. Okay. I guess it was okay. I don't think I'd watch another one of these videos, though. And honestly, I don't even want to give it the like. So, yeah, no, that's going to be a no for that one. They're very long, too. Just too long for me. Like, it would make it an hour for me to do a video. And it's just, like, I think 40 minutes tops is kind of good right now. Anyway, yeah, no, that's going to do it for that one. I think that's all, though. I think that's all I'm going to do tonight. That's a lot of... I've watched only scary videos tonight. So, but I'm going to be posting a disturbing one every day. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.